The Indian Institute of Management Kashipur is a second-generation IIM set up by the Government of India in 2011. This year, on 29th April 21, the institute completed 10 years of excellence, marking a decade of continuous growth. In all these years, the institute stands true to its vision and mission. Our vision is to be an institute of eminence that fosters management research and education and develops leaders for creating positive societal impact in a changing world. And the mission of IIM Kashipur is to create and disseminate knowledge through applied and interdisciplinary research and practices in emerging areas of management. IIM Kashipur is committed to its 4 core values of collegiality, transparency, green consciousness, and proactive engagement with all the stakeholders. IIM Kashipur has a sprawling campus of 200 acres, situated in one of the most beautiful locations in India. The lush green campus is nested in the lap of the Himalayas in the state of Uttarakhand. The institute enjoys the nearby industrial belt, having more than 180 ventures. This strategic geographical positioning provides a vantage point for IIM Kashipur when it comes to learning by doing through regular industry interaction and live projects. IIM Kashipur is equipped with all the modern facilities ranging from the technologically advanced classrooms to hostels, providing all the amenities and infrastructure such as gymnasium, library, amphitheatre, other sports facilities and shops for daily requirements. The institute offers various programs that are MBA, MBA Analytics, Executive MBA, Management Development Program and PhD. We have continuously looked to cater to what the industry demanded. The latest edition of MBA Analytics in January 2020 in our course offerings is a testament to that. Our Executive MBA program at Dehradun campus has kept abreast with the evolving trends at institutions such as first-generation IIMs. IIM Kashipur has a mix of permanent and visiting faculty to offer a holistic learning experience in various domains. There are 40+ permanent faculties who are some of the best professors and research minds. The institute has also been able to bring in subject matter experts from leading companies and other institutions as visiting faculties to equip the students with the best industry practices and perspectives. The institute has established 3 centers of excellence that are Center of Excellence on Public Policy and Government, Design Innovation Center, and Foundation for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development, which serve as the intersection of scholarship, education, training, research and consultancies. IIM Kashipur, a completely student-driven campus, from placements to functional work, from academic to non-academic activities, there is a student body for each discipline. Being a part of such student bodies and event-specific teams, students get first-hand experience of time management, working in a team, situation handling, and managing positive relationships with the administration. IIM Kashipur has secured several tie-ups with leading management institutes across the world, including Spain, France, Denmark, Greece, Israel, South Korea, Taiwan, UK, Thailand, and many more. IIM Kashipur also offers the short-term exchange program, STEP. We are indebted to our students and alumni for maintaining the legacy of the institute. With their determination, we have been granted the reputed Equus AACSB membership. And this year, we got the affiliation for CFA. Recently, IIM Kashipur bagged 4th ranking amongst B schools around the country in the Dare to Compete Awards 2021 and set a milestone by becoming the first new IIM in the top 10 institutes in the D2C prestigious annual recognition. Celebrating 10 glorious years of serving the education and management sector, we aim to achieve new heights with every new batch of students. With this convocation, we celebrate the ups and downs of the journey of our beloved students and would like to wish them luck for upcoming years.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते।
I declare the 8th convocation of Indian Institute of Management, Kashipur open.
Sir, I present to you two candidates who have been found fit for the award of Doctor of Philosophy, and I recommend that they be admitted. The PhD recipients may please rise. Leena Sachdeva from Organizational Behavior and Human Resource Management area. Her thesis title is An Exploratory Study on Underrepresentation of Women in Non-Traditional Occupations. Aditya Kumar Sahu from Operations Management and Decision Sciences area. His thesis title is Essays on Deployment of Lean Manufacturing Practices in Indian SMEs.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as chairperson of this institute, I admit the candidate presented to me. I charge them to be worthy of the same. I confer the award of Doctor of Philosophy to these PhD participants.
Sir, I present to you 264 candidates of MBA 2019-2021 cohort who have successfully completed the prescribed course of studies and been found fit for the award Master of Business Administration. And I recommend that they be admitted. All the degree recipients may please rise.
Abhishek Kumar Mukherjee, Aditya Bhardwaj, Aditya Maheshwari, Akash Pawar, Aman Agrawal, Amit, Ankit Goyal, Ankush Chakraborty, Arvind R, Arjun Kansal, Ashwin R. Vernekar, Atulya M, Atul Singh, Aviral Ramesh, Avinash Kumar Singh, Ayushi Ria Ekka, Bharat Chandra J.U., Vibhav Kumar Vibhuti, Bittu Kumar, Chetan Rana, Chinmay Vadhwani, Devanshu Chakravarti, Dipansh Goyal, Gaurav Gopal, Gautam Raj R, Harsh Jain, Harshit Kumar Singh, Himanshu Agrawal, Jagtap Rohit Keshav, Kamble Apurva Sanjay, Karlin Viju V, Karuna Narzari, Kia Haldar, Kiran S, Mengade Akash Ashok, Manish Reddy Dhaka, Mayank Bahadur, Mirgu Yashwant Kumar, Mukhil Vanna Srinivasan B, नबील उस्मान, नदीम अहमद, नगमा एम, निखिल दीक्षित, निकिता सेठ, निमल आनंद आर, निमिषा दीक्षित, निशांत सिंघल, नितिन मोटवानी, परादारामी चैतन्य, पार्थ त्यागी, पार्थ वालिया, प्रज्वल ऐश, प्रणव भारद्वाज, प्रवीण एफ बारला, प्रियांशी जैन, पुनीत गर्ग, राघव मुंद्रा, राहुल कुमार झा, रोहित गुप्ता, साहिल सोंढी, सक्षम जैन, सार्थक सेंगर, सिद्धांत कुमार गर्ग, सिद्धांत पटेल, सिंह शशांक सिद्धार्थ, यागलेवाड़ स्नेहल नागनाथ, बुल्लुलया सौरभ श्रीधरा, सुमित सहगल, तडिकमल्ला गोपी, उडुबले राहुल, उत्पल रवि, वत्यावत जगन, वैभव आर्य, वैचलकर प्रज्वल प्रकाश, विघ्नेश एम, विमान्यु अग्रवाल, विवेक सिंह, यशवर्धन राठी, केयू आशिकांत, आदित्य शेखर, आलोक त्रिपाठी, अमन अभिषेक तिर्के, अंकित नायक, अंकिता तिर्के, अनुपम कुमार चौरसिया, अपूर्वा कारवा, अर्चित पटेरिया, अर्पित गुप्ता, असीम शेखर चौरसिया, भानु प्रताप सिंह खारी, चिरंजीव गलगट, चिरावुरी प्रनीत, देवज्योति दास, जी प्रशांत, गोकड़क गगन प्रणय तेजा, गोवड़ा पेरू प्रशांत, हर्ष वर्मा, हेमराज बैरवा, जाह्नवी, जिथिन एलेक्स, जोगी भारत, कायपा गुरु चरण रेड्डी, खक्खड़ किशन कमलेश, कृतिनाथ मडाली, कुलकर्णी अर्पित दीपक, एम मोहित सामंत, मलय चंद्र वर्मा, मनिहरू ओझो, मनीष कुमार जायसवाल, मयंक जैन, मोहम्मद आजम, मुकुंद चौधरी, नीरज धिलारिया, निशांत कुमार, निशांत शर्मा, निशांत त्यागी, प्रमुख एस प्रणित कृष्णा, प्रियंका नागोरी, R.A. अनिमेश, राहुल चौधरी, राहुल राय, राजादुरई एस, रमणीक सिंघल, राम प्रसाद डी, रंजीत प्रधान, रवि शेखर, सचिन मेलारे बाबू, सहर्ष महेश्वरी, सलिल राज, सनातनन, संचेती अरहुम आनंद, संगीता अग्रवाल, सानिध्य सिंह, शशांक श्रीवास्तव, शुभम कुमार सोनी, सिद्धांत जैन, सिद्धार्था नरजारे, सिंहासने हिमांशु उदय, सौमिक दास, सृंजॉय मल्लिक, सुधाति विनीत राव, सुगंधा जैन, तम्हाणे परम सुधीर, उज्ज्वल रंजन, वाला भागीरथ कुमार जीतू भाई, विघ्नेश ठक्कर, विजय दयानंद एम, विशाल कुमार सिंह, विष्णु राज एस, व्यस्ख आर मलायल, जेवियर टिग्गा, युक्ता यादव, अभिजीत साहू, अभिनव यादव, अभिषेक गुप्ता, आदित्य एम भिलकर, ऐश्वर्या गोटेकर, अजय आर, अलीशा सिंघल, अमन देवांगन, अमित सहगल, अनलजीत सिंह पासी, पारिख अनिकेत, प्रदीप कुमार, अंशुल पांडे, अनुपम कुमार द्विवेदी, अनुषा एन, अरिजीत साहा, अर्पण जोश मिंज, आरती पट्टीदार, आशीष खत्री, भगत प्रतीक जयदास, भागेश गोधवानी, दानियाल अंसारी, दीपांकर श्रीवास्तव, देव आनंद, देवा निखिल दंतुलुरी, देवांश शर्मा, धर्मेंद्र कुमार, ध्रुव पांडे, हार्दिक सिन्हा, हर्षिता कुशवाहा, लोहार ईश्वर अर्जुन, के जैनिश किंगफ्रे, कामोदिया व्रज स्नेहल, कुमार सफल, कुणाल कश्यप, मकवाना धनंजय धीरजलाल, मन्नवा कृष्ण चैतन्य, मयंक सिंघल, मोहम्मद आतिफ यामिन, नबनीता बासुमतारे, निकुंज भाई दाभी, पांचोली मौलिक प्रवीण चंद्र, पंकज सिंह, पटेल मीत सुज्जल भाई, पिंड्याला आनंद साईनाथ, पेटकर सूरज अशोक, पीयूष श्रवण त्रिपाठी, पीयूष कुमार साहू, प्रतीक ध्यानी, प्रतीक जैन, प्रियंका मित्तल, प्रियांशु गोयल, प्रियांशु जैन, पुपल्ला तेजस्वी नारायण, राहुल सिंह, राकेश टी, रोहन भगत, सजल कुमार, सप्पिडी सूर्य तेजा, सौरभ भारद्वाज, शंकी सुदीप सोरेंग, शशांक रोहिला, शशांक शेखर तिवारी, शेनिल एम, शुभम खोखड़, सौरभ मुखर्जी, सौरव कुमार, सुबिन पी सुरेश, सुमित आनंद, सुनील स्वैन, तन्मय वाधवा, तवारे प्रसन्ना रविंद्र, उज्ज्वल सिंह, उषम बिशाल सिंघा, वैभव द्विवेदी, वैष्णवी सी, विशेष जैन, विस्फुटे शुभम ध्यानेश्वर, विवेक केडिया, येदुरु सौजन्या, योगेश कुमार सोनवानी, अजय शंकर सी, प्रीति, मोहम्मद अरमान, साध्वी गुप्ता, सोम समंत्रे, Ankur Agrawal, Chiplunkar Monica Vilas, Varun Kumar, Shailendra Santoshi Das, Saurabh Kukreti, Sunkeshala Chaitanya, Asim Agarwal, Avik Basu, Jomi Thomas, Karumanchi Avinash, Oshin Vohra, Parul Gupta, Prateek Kumar Pandey, Saransh Jain, Shubhank Verma, T.S. Sukrut, Udit Arunav, Rishabh Goyal, Anupama Bara, Bhavya Gupta, Stanzin Tundup, Vaibhav Sabar, Sheikh Wasim Akhtar, Siddharth Chaudhary, Himanshu Modak, Abhinandan Pandey.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as chairperson of this institute, I admit the candidate presented to me to the Master of Business Administration. I charge them to be worthy of the same. I confer the degree of Master of Business Administration to these MBA participants.
The gold medal for the best academic performance amongst the MBA cohort of 2019-2021 has been awarded to Sancheti Arhum Anand. The silver medal for the best academic performance amongst the MBA cohort of 2019-2021 has been awarded to Sangeeta Agarwal. The bronze medal for the best academic performance amongst the MBA cohort of 2019-2021 has been awarded to Kaipa Guru Charan Reddy. The all-round performance medal for the MBA cohort of 2019-2021 has been awarded to Hemraj Bairwa.
I congratulate all medalists and wish them a bright future ahead.
Sir, I present to you 25 candidates who have successfully completed the prescribed course of studies and been found fit for the award of Master of Business Administration, and I recommend that they be admitted. All the Master of Business Administration degree recipients of the Master of Business Administration program for working executives may please rise.
Ajay Kumar, Apurv Kumar, Arpit Garg, Bithika Karmakar, Devyani Rawat, Eva Rawat, Gaurav Kumar, Geetansh Malik, Naina Bhardwaj, Nitesh Kumar, Nitin Joshi, Pankaj Chandola, Rahul Joshi, Rajan Narang, Rajesh Kumar Srivastava, Ratnesh Mathur, Siddharth Rawat, Siddharth Kaushik, Sushil Kimni, Tanuj Singh Rana, Uday Pratap Singh, Vipul Sharma, Vishwas Rao Bajirao Patil, Vivek Singh, Ganesh Sahu,
By virtue of the authority vested in me as chairperson of this institute, I admit the candidates presented to me to the Master of Business Administration. I charge them to be worthy of the same. I confer the degree of Masters of Business Administration to the 2018-2020 cohort of the Master of Business Administration program for working executives.
The gold medal for the best academic performance for the outgoing Master of Business Administration program for working executives students of the 2018-2020 cohort has been awarded to Bithika Karmakar. The silver medal for the best academic performance for the outgoing Master of Business Administration program for working executives students of the 2018-2020 cohort has been awarded to Rahul Joshi.
I congratulate all medalists and wish them a bright future ahead. On behalf of IIM Kashipur community, a very warm welcome on the occasion of our 8th annual convocation. Graduating class of 2020 and 2021, I want to congratulate you on your accomplishments. The unprecedented COVID situation has forced us to conduct this convocation online. We would have very much liked to have you on campus in person, celebrating the one of the most important day of your life and also completion of a decade of IIM Kashipur. Just like you, Along with the board members, I also look forward to be part of convocation and interact with you in person. The joy on your faces motivates us to do better. Nonetheless, wherever you are, enjoy this day to the fullest. This is your day. We all at IIM Kashipur are proud of you and wish you more and more success. When IIM Kashipur had commenced its operations a decade ago, it was envisioned to build an institute that would, in addition to fostering academic rigor, be aligned with the evolving industry trends, drive social transformation, and become a harbinger of entrepreneurship and inclusive growth. As we enter the second decade, we are going to double down on the same and embark on a journey of exponential holistic growth, both for the institute and its stakeholders. As a reward to our consistent efforts, we have been granted the reputed European Quality Improvement System membership. Our MBA program is now CFA affiliated, and currently we are striving towards Association to Advanced Collegiate School of Business accreditation. Completion of a decade of existence is just the right time to build a new IIM Kashipur, and the efforts for that have been taken up in a planned manner over the past 2 years. The board has been reconstituted in 2019 with wide-ranging participation from various stakeholders, including well-known and highly accomplished alumni and academicians of IIMs A, B, and C, and active participation of members representing the Ministry of Education and Government of Uttarakhand. Under the IIM Act, the board has formulated regulations which are based on the foundation of decentralized approach to decision making. The decision making is now a continuous process. I am thankful for the cooperation extended to us by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, and the Uttarakhand government. I have been fortunate during the past years in receiving tremendous support from my colleagues in the board. Sri Sanjay Sinha from MHRD, Sri Arvind Mahajan, Professor Kirti Sarda, Professor Mahadevan, Sri Nrip Singh Napchial, Ms. Savita Mahajan, Ms. Vibha Malhotra, and Sri Vishwavir Ahuja have taken leadership positions and participated actively in the subcommittees and meetings of the board, and I thank the board members for the same. Professor Kulbhushan Baluni has taken over the executive responsibility of the institute as the director from June 2019. He has taken up the task of fast-tracking the growth of the institute, and we are pleased with the progress being made along with his teammates, the faculty, and the staff of the institute. All the long-duration programs of the institute have been reviewed and transformed. We have continuously looked to cater to what the industry demanded. The latest edition of an MBA Analytic in our course offering is a testament to that. We initiated the program in January 2020 with an inaugural batch of 60 students with a clear focus to contribute across the spectrum of business analytics and data sciences. Not limited to this, even the MBA program was recently redesigned to include courses such as design thinking and innovation, critical thinking, industry workshops, and experiential learning to provide the student with a significant edge in the corporate world. Our executive MBA program at Dehradun campus has kept abreast to the evolving trends at institutions such as first-generation IIMs. To serve working professionals, we have incorporated specialized short-term management development program along with our technology partners. To improve the institute in research domains, PhD Review has offered scholars a diverse set of courses and mandated the paper publication in high-ranking journals. To ensure gender diversity in our long-term programs, the institute has been making endeavors for some years. As an outcome, in 2019-20, the number of girl students in the MBA program increased from 6 to 29 compared to the previous year. In the period 2020-21, the number of girl students increased from 29 to 51. This is the highest strength of girl students in the MBA program of IIM Kashipur across batches. Likewise, the girl students constituted 50% of the inaugural batch of MBA Analytics. Considering the importance of scholarships for the needy student and the positive impact of full scholarship on students' performance and the institute's academic culture, a revised scheme of MBA scholarship was introduced. Instead of having only need-cum-merit scholarships, the institute has introduced 23 plus scholarships comprising of 3 different categories: merit scholarship, need-based scholarship, and need-cum-merit scholarship. These scholarships include a 100% tuition fee waiver and are applicable from the academic year 2020-2021. In the year 2019-20, the institute also enhanced the financial assistance to the PhD scholars. I appreciate the IIM Kashipur community on the way it has dealt with the COVID situation. The way the institution and its internal stakeholders have come together is commendable for the collaborative efforts and spirit of helping each other that has enabled IIM Kashipur to successfully complete all academic activities in the academic year gone by. We appreciate the graduating cohort and the current students for the maturity shown in understanding the circumstances and cooperating in every aspect with the institution. Our students have demonstrated that excellence is a way of life even outside the classroom. We are proud to share with you that IIM Kashipur has reached a new milestone by achieving 4th position in the Dare to Compete Competitive B School 2021. The ranking for D2C awards depend upon the number of participating institutes and students and the tier of the organizing college or companies. To put this in perspective, we are the only second generation IIM to appear in this list. I profoundly thank Inter Alia, the alumni of this institute, who have put in their heart and soul to build a culture of competitiveness over the years. With this, we have joined the League of Older IIMs and other prestigious institutions in the competitive arena of case study competitions. We have 17 national and international winners across corporate and B school competitions, followed by 17 runners-up in these competitions. There are 9 second runners-up, followed by 94 national and international finalists across corporate and prestigious B school competitions. To improve the preparedness of the students for overseas job market, the MBA office has also started the foreign language training program. It is a fact that the success and the glories of IIM Kashipur are closely intertwined with the success of its alumni. Your growth in your respective organizations or journey towards building your own business helps the institute in growing its stature across the length and breadth of the country. To further enhance the intellectual capital of the institute and to improve the teaching-learning ratio defined in terms of faculty to students ratio, a faculty recruitment drive was undertaken during January to May 2020. This process helped in increasing the faculty strength from 25 to 42. The Board of Governors of the Institute has taken measures during 2019-2020 to bring objectivity in the faculty work norms, career development, and probation confirmation policies with an explicit focus on research. To aid the research activities, the Institute has also introduced the research leave policy for its faculty. Our faculty members and PhD students undertake research on a wide range of interesting and important issues which get published in reputed scholarly journals. During the last 2 years, we have made a substantial progress in this frontier. During the year 2019-2021, a good number of consulting bids were submitted by institute faculty. One notable and impactful consultancy on impact assessment study of interest equalization scheme on export promotion and its further continuation was commenced for the Directorate General of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. In its annual report 2020-2021, the Ministry's Department of Commerce has duly acknowledged the recommendation of this consultancy undertaken by Professor Kunal and Professor Abhardeep Maiti. Two of these recommendations, digital incentive distribution mechanism using a centralized database to be implemented, and launching a new scheme of Rs 1,000 crore to facilitate technology upgradation research in selected sectors, two were reflected in Union Budget Speech 2020-2021 by the Honorable Finance Minister. To bring a global perspective to our program, IIM Kashipur signed MOU with 6 universities in the year 2019-20. The institute is making endeavors to expand the scope of international tie-ups beyond the student exchange program and to include research collaboration and other academic engagements. Our Center of Excellence are adding to the fulfillment of our vision and mission by enabling the institution to reach out to the local communities and organizations. We have 3 centers of excellence: Foundation for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development, Center for Excellence in Public Policy and Governance, and the Design Innovation Center. I would take the opportunity to talk about the new center, that is the Design Innovation Center. The Design Innovation Center, Navashya, a new addition to our Center of Excellence, was inaugurated in September 2019. Led by Professor Kumkum Bharti, Design Innovation Center is one of the 20 DICs being set up in the country by the Ministry of Education. DIC aims to develop a design and innovation culture in the institute by primarily addressing the problem of the Northwest Himalayan region and other national priority areas. We are not getting any campus development funds from the Government of India since 2019. We have successfully operationalized other streams of revenues, and I am pleased to inform you that the Board of Governors has set aside around Rs 35 crores to construct 240-seater hostel within this year. In the end, I once again wish to congratulate the graduating batch for successfully completing the program and wish that you, our future alumni, the building blocks of this institute and its culture, all the very best on behalf of IIM Kashipur community, the faculty, current students, and the Board of Governors. Last but not the least, the pandemic is not over yet. The good work that the team IIM Kashipur has shown is commendable. I'm sure that the director, the faculty, the administrative team, and the students will continue the good work. Praying for everyone's good health. Thank you.
Shri Sandeep Singh, esteemed Chairperson, Board of Governors, IIM Kashipur, eminent members of IIM Kashipur Board of Governors, the graduating students, my faculty colleagues and colleagues in the administration, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of IIM Kashipur community, a very warm welcome on the occasion of our 8th annual convocation. Convocation marks the completion as one batch of students will leave the institute with their heads held high and get into the next phase of life with accountability and responsibility. It is with pride that I present a note on our notable achievements during the last 2 years. You all will be happy to learn that the institute has witnessed a steady progress in all its activities during these 2 years. I now take this opportunity to present a brief roundup of some of these significant activities. The years 2019 to 2021 were especially momentous as concerted efforts were initiated to review the MBA, Executive MBA and PhD programs, and we started a new program, MBA Analytics. Guided by the Board of Governors, IIM Kashipur, there was revamp in the academic policies and norms governing the recruitment and advancement of the faculty members and setting expected academic targets. I could say that since the institute's inception in 2011, the first major changes in the academic programs and policies were conducted during 2019 to 2020. First, I would like to highlight the salient features of the PhD program review. It is our responsibility to nurture academicians of tomorrow. Keeping this in mind, the PhD program review was initiated in May 2020. The review committee comprised of eminent national and international experts and domain experts. The review was conducted to update the existing program structure and content for aligning it with the current academic needs and to suggest changes in the program by acclimatizing future academicians with current cutting-edge research trends and to prepare them for the future management teaching roles and also to make recommendations for the internationalization of the program. In order to boost research capability and competency building, the new PhD program structure includes foundations of management research, understanding and use of different methodologies, discipline-related theory and research, advanced electives, research from allied areas to motivate interdisciplinary research, academic writing, teaching training modules, and workshops. To attain high-quality scholarship, PhD program has been de-linked from the MBA program. This would help in building research capabilities and competencies of the scholars for preparing them towards academic careers and high-impact publications. The first formal review of the MBA program was initiated in December 2019. The MBA review committee was comprised of highly experienced members with a long standing of repute and experience in MBA education and industry. The mandate of this committee was to rationalize the workload of the participants, update the program structure, content and delivery to represent cutting-edge industry needs, and upgrade our elective offerings to make the program more placement-oriented. The institute also ensured to adopt futuristic management education and aligning its curriculum to experiential learning and solving real-world problems. The first year core courses have been redesigned to make them more relevant and more business focused, providing emphasis on critical thinking and entrepreneurship. The program draws from one of the missions of IIM Kashipur to encourage innovation and entrepreneurship. It envisages an ecosystem that fosters social development and regional aspirations, and is also being supported through the FlexiCore experiential learning courses. It aligns with several of the strategic plans of the Institute, promoting learning and practices in emerging areas of management. On the lines of MBA program, we also undertook a comprehensive curriculum review of Executive MBA program. The revised model curriculum focuses on 6 popular learning outcomes of Executive MBA: business environment and domain knowledge, critical thinking, problem solving and innovative solutions, executive presence and communication, entrepreneurship, and digital dexterity and leadership. The new Executive MBA curriculum also supports several of the strategic plans of IIM Kashipur of promoting learning and practices in emerging areas of management. For example, business analytics and experiential learning. In a nutshell, the new Executive MBA program design is intended to prepare participants for navigating the new economy and transfer them into visionary leaders. Led by a team of young faculty members, Professor Venkatraghavan Krishnaswamy, Professor Sabyasachi Patra, Professor Mayank Sharma, and Professor Apradeep Mathi, we established Analytics Lab in 2019 to cater to the growing demands of the industry. The main objective of the Analytics Lab is to promote interdisciplinary studies and aid in development of capabilities and programs useful to the institute, students, and the industry. Launched in February 2020, the 2-year MBA Analytics program has an intake of 60 participants. One of the salient features of this program is that it has a continuing dissertation component spread across the second year, which would lead to potential research publications. Further, this program has a strong practice-based learning orientation. 25% of the electives are expected to be offered by reputed practitioners from the industry. The admission for the inaugural batch of MBA Analytics received an overwhelming response of 1,200 applications. I could say that we are creating an expertise space for ourselves by focusing on the analytics domain. The academic year 2021 was uniquely challenging for all our long-term programs due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Implementing new programs in MBA, Executive MBA, and PhD programs, and starting the inaugural batch of MBA Analytics in the pandemic year created additional challenges. The student exchange with the partner institutes had to be cancelled during the last 2 years due to the pandemic, keeping in mind the health and safety of the students. However, our MBA and PhD program offices took the lead by working with the IT department, project department, and state team by quickly deploying the available resources and creating 14 studios for facilitating virtual classes within a short span of time. We made use of online video conferencing platform as well as AI-enabled examination platform. A conscious decision was taken to limit the number of online sessions on a day, to limit the screen time of the students, and to provide them with more time for study group interactions and to encourage participation in B-School competitions. As an emergency response, our library team converted the library resources digital to an extent of about 75%. Many of these new and innovative initiatives could have only been accomplished with the active support of students, faculty, and staff. During the pandemic year, Student Affairs team and state team made all efforts to keep the campus community safe. State team also made the best out of the lean period to take up various activities such as plantation, beautification, landscaping, and management of fixed assets of the institute. Our students have demonstrated that excellence is a way of life even outside the classroom. As chairperson in his address has pointed that IIM Kashipur has reached a new milestone by achieving 4th position in Dare to Compete Competitive B Schools 2021. While we congratulate all the present batch of students, we cannot forget to mention the contribution of all the alumni of IIM Kashipur. The seed of this culture of daring to compete was sown when we started our journey a decade back. The culture of participation, the practice of winning, the conviction to fight among odds only grew stronger under various faculty leadership. Through the alumni portal, Alma Connect, the alumni stay connected with their fellow members and embolden the association with their alma mater. Here, I would like to highlight an important role played by the Institute's Media and Public Relations Committee that connects us with the external stakeholders and keeps the Institute in limelight in the social media. Business schools around the world continue to grapple with the new realities emerging because of COVID-19, and IIM Kashipur is not untouched by this. The pandemic forced us to redesign our executive education strategies by way of looking for new opportunities for existing clients and the new ones. On one hand, our Management Development Program Office is now increasingly collaborating with our clients for organizing management development programs in online mode. On the other hand, we are increasingly launching online short duration executive development programs as well as one-year certificate programs with our technology partners. One of our technology partners is setting up a state-of-art studio at IIM Kashipur campus for delivering executive educations in online mode. Last year, we launched 3 online one-year postgraduate certificate executive programs in strategy and leadership, general management, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our Dehradun campus plays a crucial role by establishing institutional relationship with various stakeholders in the institute, including various central autonomous bodies and organizations, especially those based in and around Dehradun. The outcome of our Dehradun campus-based faculty and administrative colleagues' endeavors is quite evident and encouraging, as several agencies have awarded management development programs, consultancy, and research projects. The executive MBA students and alumni from Dehradun campus are not only promoting the brand IIM Kashipur in their own organization, but are also further promoting the executive MBA program, as we are getting quality students from reputed organizations gradually year after year. As academicians, our fundamental responsibilities include being in the frontier of knowledge creation and dissemination. In the year 2019-2020, our faculty colleagues and PhD scholars have published 38 papers in peer-reviewed journals, including 9 from category A. In the year 2020-21, the number of published papers not only increased by 30% to 55, but the quality of the published paper has also improved significantly. It is evident from the fact that we have published 25 papers in A-star and A category journals last year, and 1 paper in the Journal of Business Ethics, which falls in the Financial Times top 50 journals list. The Institute Center for Excellence contributes to the Institute's academic endeavors as well as its outreach activities. Our chairman has already spoken about new Center for Excellence, Design Innovation Center. I would like to highlight the achievements of Foundation for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development and Center of Excellence in Public Policy and Government. In 2019-2020, Foundation for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development, FEED in short, led by Professor Safal Batra, successfully conducted an incubation program for its first cohort of 37 best startups from all over India for an extensive training program under the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. It organized a Startup Expo, Uttishta 19, in October 2019 in collaboration with the Startup Uttarakhand and PhD chambers. Last year, FEED accomplished a lot despite the difficulties posed by the pandemic. Firstly, FEED has been recognized as one of the nodal agencies for Startup Uttarakhand, whereby the startups registered under the Startup Uttarakhand scheme will be selected, trained, funded, and mentored by FEED. Among the 50 startups mentored by us, 15 of them got a funding of anywhere between 5 to 25 lakhs, thanks to Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare for giving generous funding. Under the Department of Science and Technology funding, FEED trained another 90 entrepreneurs working on cutting-edge technologies. Our Center of Excellence in Public Policy and Government, led by Professor Baharul Islam, received a project grant under the Impactful Policy Research in Social Science Scheme, initiated by the Ministry of Education and implemented by the Indian Council of Social Science Research to promote policy research in social science. Last year, impacted by the COVID pandemic, the center continued to work on several major projects and programs in the areas like policy analysis, gender diversity, legal education, and capacity building for artisans. The center has also assisted the government of Uttarakhand in preparing the economic survey of Uttarakhand for the year 2020-2021, which is tabled at the State Legislative Assembly. To conclude, I would like to thank profusely the chairperson and the members of the Board of Governors of the Institute, deans, activity heads, faculty colleagues, chief administrative officer, and all colleagues in the administration and the project team, students and alumni who have put in their best for the overall growth of the Institute. No achievement is personal. It is solely because of the unqualified support and cooperation from all that we as Institute have been able to realize all these achievements. Finally, to our dear graduating students, the reason behind this celebration: at the outset, you are definitely a part of the IIM Kashipur community forever. I wish you the very best as you chart out your own distinct paths of glory. As you walk, remember not to follow the trail, but to leave a trail. Live up to yourself, where every day shall be a joyful walk and every night a peaceful sleep. Thank you very much.
All graduating PhD, Masters of Business Administration, Master of Business Administration program for working executives participant, please rise and take this pledge by repeating after me. We, the graduates of Indian Institute of Management Kashipur, hereby pledge.
We, the graduates of Indian Institute of Management Kashipur, hereby pledge
that we shall always endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties as managers.
That we shall always endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties as managers.
That we shall always endeavor to utilize our knowledge of management for the service of our country and the glory of our institute.
That we shall always endeavor to utilize our knowledge of management for the service of our country and the glory of our institute.
That in all circumstances we shall try to uphold the dignity of the individual and the integrity of the profession.
That in all circumstances we shall try to uphold the dignity of the individual and the integrity of the profession.
That we shall, in word and deed, guard against all narrow loyalties and sectarian prejudices and cherish with pride the basic unity of our country.
That we shall, in word and deed, guard against all narrow loyalties and sectarian prejudices and cherish with pride the basic unity of our country.
I declare this convocation closed.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे